It was breaking my heart, but I was absolutely delighted that here they could fix my smile and fix my dental issues without it costing me an arm and a leg. I came to 3Dental to get all on 4 treatment, otherwise known as Smile in a Day. I was very, very unhappy with the state of my teeth. I was extremely self-conscious. I don't think I smiled or laughed properly in, I'd say, about 5 years. I was having difficulty with eating, chewing, and aesthetically my teeth were not in a good way. I went to another dentist in Dublin. The price was astronomical. I came to 3Dental. The quote I got was less than half. From the moment I met the team here, I trusted them implicitly and I knew they wouldn't see me wrong. I was absolutely delighted with the result, and my family were absolutely blown away by the change in just 24 hours. Absolutely 100% I'd recommend 3Dental. I was absolutely delighted with the results, and I would recommend anyone, if you're hesitating, if you're unhappy with your smile, don't waste another second. It's the best thing I've ever done, 100%. If you have a treatment plan from another dentist, definitely give 3Dental a chance to draw up a treatment plan, because I have not been disappointed, and I couldn't recommend them highly enough.